What's up, YouTubes? Welcome to Hot Trades. If you're new to this channel, the purpose of these pre-market videos is for me to quickly scan the market in the morning for top performing stocks and find out why they are up so much. And then at the very end of the video, quickly take a look at the charts to see if we can still benefit from these massive moves in any way. So this morning, I'll be taking a look at Mesoblast, Zoometica, and TransEnterix. So starting off with Mesoblast, take a symbol MESO. They are up 102% this morning with 1 million shares traded this morning. So why they are up so much? It's difficult to find really good well written out articles, especially in the morning before the market opens. So this one is pretty much just a headline. So it says Mesoblast reported single dose of Rexomestrocel L reduces heart attacks and strokes by 60%. So that's it. It's just a headline, but it's a really good headline. So whatever drug they created reduces strokes and heart attacks by 60%. So next up we have Zoometica. They are up 63% this morning with 17.5 million shares traded already this morning. So it's a massive volume already in pre-market, but you can see why, because it's a penny stock. They are below $1, so you can see why there's so many shares traded already in pre-market, right? So Zoometica, why they are up so much? So this is old news. This came out I think on January the 4th, and they're still running up on the same news. So Zoometica appoints Robert Cohen as CEO. So it seems like people really like this guy, and yeah, the shares have been running up ever since they appointed this guy as CEO. So yeah, that's it. That's why the stock is up this morning. And then lastly, we have TransEnterix, ticker symbol TRZC. They are up 55% this morning with 5 million shares traded already. So why they're up this morning? They're running up on old news as well. So they came out with earnings last week. So it says TransEnterix sees preliminary fourth quarter sales at 1.1 million versus the 1.04 million that was estimated. So yeah, they had really good sales. They had really good sales quarter, and that's why they are still running up on the same news that came out last week. So yeah, that's it. So if we go to my trading view just to take a look at these charts. So starting off with Mesoblast, so if you bought the stock last week, kudos to you. This was a really good buy level. This seemed like really good support. That was a really good entry level. So last week we closed at $6.66, and this morning we are opening up at around the $15 level. So it's dropped down a little bit from where I had my arrow. So I had my arrow all the way up here, and it's dropped down already. So, can we benefit from this move in any way? I think if you're already in this stock, kudos to you. But if you're looking to get in this stock right now, I think you should be careful. Again, I say this often that these momentum stocks are very difficult to chart, right? When it comes to technical analysis, it's difficult to chart a stock that's up, what, like 100%, right? So like momentum stocks, it's going to be for us to see how they're trading, see how they open, see if they look like they're going to continue going higher, and then we can decide what to do from there. So yeah, so next up we have TransEnterix. So they closed last week at $1.16, so they closed right here, and this morning they are opening up all the way over here. Again, like same thing with momentum stocks, it's going to be for us to see how they open and gauge and see if the chart looks like it wants to keep going higher. But yeah, so that's what that looks like. If you're in this stocks, kudos to you, good job. And then lastly, we have Zoometica. So yeah, they closed here on Friday, and this morning they are opening up all the way over here. So again, it's dropped a little bit from my arrow. They're opening up at around the 73-cent level. Again, if you're in this stock, kudos to you. If you're looking to get in this stock, please be careful. Yeah, so that's it for this pre-market video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.